Hello, my name is Chanoan. I'm from Papua New Guinea. I'm here today to talk about my mom. We came through Medivisor. She was diagnosed in 2005, having issue with her valve, mitral valve stenosis. Operation was done in 2006. It was okay until 2025, this year only, when she was readmitted to Port Moresby General Hospital. Unfortunately, due to lack of resources, we couldn't get the help we needed with her operation. So we looked for further options, and we came through Medivisor on social media, Facebook. So that's where we saw videos, testimonies from Papua New Guineans who came over for medical treatment. We reached out to Medivisor. It didn't take long. The process was fast. And then on the 13th of this month, July, we flew over to New Delhi. Upon our arrival, there was an ambulance already on standby waiting for her. So she was transported to the hospital and got admitted at Max Hospital in New Delhi. For her operation, she was in observation for 3 days and then went in on the 4th day. She had a valve replacement. So the left-hand side was replaced, the right-hand side was repaired. The recovery was a bit quicker than we expected. Regarding her first operation, it took a while for her to recover, but here it was quick, as they have all the equipment and resources available on standby for the patient. So her recovery was fast. She was moved up to a patient room. We are here 2 days only and she's getting discharged. So overall experience here in New Delhi, we are very pleased with the outcome of her journey. So to all my Papua New Guineans, fellow friends, family, I strongly advise that if your family members or loved ones are going through the same medical issues, please reach out to Medivisor for assistance, as they provide excellent service here. So on behalf of my family, my mom, big thank you to Medivisor team and Max Hospital for our wonderful stay here. Thank you.